Hey guys. So I'm not worried about this. This was just green, $300, and now it's red, but I am okay with that because the market's about to open in 2 minutes, and I think we're going to get a flush. We're back up to VWAP and this previous point of control. So we'll see if we can drop here in the next minute and a half. See if we get some selling up here. There's a lot of limit orders up here. I wouldn't even mind adding on to my order here. Hey, Pablo. Pablo, are you the one that asked about the Zoom call? So I do like these live streams every now and then, but I don't do like a Zoom call all the time. I feel like I have so much stuff in my phone. Oh my gosh. So we back below this. All right, so we're back below this, the VWAP and the point of control. You know what I really need in here is just Jesse. Jesse would love this. Let me switch. So the market opens in like a few seconds. The market's now open and we are back to dropping. There's some buying here, but just a little bit. See if we can stay below this 13.9 like 70 area, and that would be great. Here we go. We're moving down. We're moving down. Here we go. You guys probably can't see all of this, but this is what I'm looking at. Oops. Trying to minimize it and show you guys. So obviously the market open's going to be crazy, but let's just see if we can stay down. It just went down to this area, 13,950. See if we can drop back down. I just want to stay below this and I will be happy with a continuation for the day as like a big short. Like we should really be going back down to like 13,500, honestly. All right, so now we're above the VWAP and the VPOC, but let's see if we can get back down. These markets are like ultra beast now. Ooh. That is a serious move up. Well, now I'm red. I'm just going to put this off to the side. Yes, Carrie. Carrie, this is Ninja. You can see it right here. And oil doesn't run now. So yeah, that's the only one. That's the only one I have live right now. I'm going to let this play out because this more often than none works itself out. I need to like zoom this out. I'm not really sure. I'm playing with this because this is the first day I'm maybe oh no, that was not good. There we go. Okay. I can see it a little better. When do you start moving back down to 39.70? It's trying to get back to 14,000. There's a lot of buying power up here. I want to see some red icebergs, not blue. You know what I need to do? I need to turn this off. Oops. Check that off. All right, it's back up to 14,000. Damn. I was really excited about this short. The NASDAQ just doesn't care about having a pullback. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Brad. So I'm going to see what happens here. It's 934, but NQ's above 14,000, so that's a pretty strong move. If we can stay below 14,000 and get back below 13,970 or like 75, I would feel a little better. The point and control moved down. Let's see if we can get back under 14,000. I want to pull up. This was green, $300. That's so frustrating. Like, come on, NQ. Come on. Come on, buddy. You need a pullback so bad. Like, let's look at this. This thing has been beasting for like 10 days. And look how we just went back under 14,000 and it popped right back up. Well, I don't even have that many days to load, but that sucks. I might get stopped in this. If this doesn't come back down below 14,000. I'm just reading some stuff on Twitter. 13,770. Exactly. We need to come down to this level. It's the same thing my buddy's saying. Oh, it's so frustrating. NQ, you need to come down to some demand. 13,8. It got nowhere near this. This is 2-hour demand. Get back under the 14,000 and then we can make some moves back down. Oh, it's so strong. 13,891 to 13,864. And here's a level at 13,771. Because it's not going to happen today. I don't know. I don't know. I'm about to be stopped. And this sucks. I need these sellers to step in, like really step in. We need to get back under 14,000. 936. This VWAP is a huge separation. 13,980. Anytime it makes a little pullback, it like beasts right back up, which sucks. We need some sell icebergs for real, for real. There you go. 8, 7. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. It's holding so strong here. There's so much in this area. Like, I'm just watching this other thing. So many buyers and sellers. There we go. All right. Selling's picking up a little. 937. Let's get this 939 trend change and just move back down. All right. All right. All right. Can we get under 14,000? Can we get under 14,000? That is the question. Before it goes all the way back up. I just went to 03 and now it's already back up to 11. $20 seconds. The 939 trend change. I want to see some selling icebergs. I don't see any. Unless at the top they're selling. Maybe I need to change that. Can we break this 14003? Can we break this 14003? It's 939. There you go. 3. Come on. Break the 3. Go to 2. And 1. There you go. I see 2. There's a huge tug of war here. Do I have my drawing tool on? Yeah. All right, we're back to 14,000. Can we get under? Can we get under? Excuse me, we need to get under. And then get back to like the 80 area. And then the 75 area. Yeah, it is Bookmap. I just got it this weekend, so I'm kind of playing with it in grid. And so I was going to put it like on stream and kind of talk about it and play through it. But I'm still so new to it. Like I just got it set up yesterday. Here we go. Come on. Come on. 13,999. We need a pullback. I think it depends on your previous charting experience, so like your previous, just like I don't know. I guess I think it just depends. I think it's fairly easy to figure out, but I've also been watching technical analysis for a long time, so it's pretty similar. It's just like a lot of supply and demand. Really all it is. It's just showing you like where the buyers and the sellers are. It's just in a more like color coded way. So I think it's kind of, but again, this is like my first. So yesterday, since Bitcoin runs 24 hours a day, I was able to watch Bitcoin live yesterday, but obviously I wasn't able to watch anything else. So now this is the first time I'm watching like NQ or ES. So kind of just, and that's why I was just saying like, I might be wrong about a few of these little things here. Like I might have to change the colors in them because I think, oh yeah, and they have parentheses. I'm trying to figure out if this iceberg is a sell or if it's a buy. I think the one in the parentheses might be a sell. I'll have to look into that. And then if they are, then I need to change the color of that. There's like a lot of things that you can adjust yourself that I still need to figure out. Are you dabbing? That's great. I probably need to take this gum out. I'm probably chomping like crazy. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is the only trade that I have live right now, and I wanted to see how it was looking, like correlating with the Bookmap. If we get under this 14,000 and can stay under, I feel good about getting back to my entry and getting back on the lower end side, but it's just kind of still this tug of war right here. So let's see if we can get under and stay under. We're back to 14,000. Here we go. We're under 14,000. If we can get through like 13,993, it looks like that would probably be a lot easier for moving down. See how like one just popped? Well, I guess you can't see it. One just popped up with like a number and then another number in a parentheses. So I'm going to have to do some research and figure out what those are about. So we're under 14,000. Here we go. Let's see if we can get, here we go, to like the 993 area. 990 area would be great. You can see sellers are kind of trying to take over here now. We're in a low volume knot area here. Let's see if we can get below this and then possibly get this sell. Definitely if we get back to like 980, I would be super happy. So I can show you guys like what I'm watching if you prefer to watch this. So this shows you where we currently are on the right hand side. The colors are just like highlighted areas of limit orders. See, this is where I have these areas marked here. So I want to get below, I want to get back to this area, this 965 and then this 940. This is where we just got before the open. This white is the VWAP. So it'd be great to get under that. This is our new VPOC. You can see it's still like struggling. Oh God, that was a big surge. But see how like, you couldn't like really see that happening. It just kind of happened. So stuff like that, like the bubbles, I'm not really watching the bubbles as much. I'm just watching the price action. And I'm used to price action. So see, because like wouldn't that big bubble make you think to buy? And like maybe it is, but I also still see it coming back down. So obviously this is still the first 15 minutes in the market open. So it's going to be volatile and crazy, but it's interesting to watch this. See this orange? Like we need to cut through the orange if we want to go lower, because the orange mean that it's like heavy orders here for buys. So we need to get, what we need is we need orange above us pushing us down, and we need this out of the way. So that's why once we get to like this black or blue area, that'd be much easier. So that's what I'm saying. We need to cut below this 13,990. So we're at 9.5 now. Let's see if it can cut through a little more. Come on. See if it can chip away. That's why when I teach people, I kind of talk about like chipping away at like a big iceberg or like a big, just like a brick wall. Like, how would you get through this? Like, it's not going to get through right away. It's going to take some time, and it's going to take a few tries of like hitting that resistance or support over and over. So you gotta kind of be patient with it. But in this format, it kind of, I don't know, it speaks more to me. So I kind of, this is my first day again, but I really like it. So see how we're moving down here. Now we're at 9.0. This is great. This is the VWAP right here at like 84. So getting below VWAP would be amazing. And then we have this area here from before that I would keep an eye on, which is 70. But again, I'm in this short from like 67. So we need to get below that anyway for me to be in profit. So let's see if we can slowly chip away and move down here. 89. See how these are all blue? They're supposed to be red if they're selling ones. I think the ones on top are selling. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to have to research this stuff today or tomorrow or whatever. I have some more time. I don't have any student sessions today, so I'll probably watch some YouTube videos and see what's going on there. Let's see if we can break this 90, 92, 91. Like I said, if we can get down below this VWAP, you can see the difference in the volume kind of profiles here. Like it's really, really big here and it's big here. So they say in between, like where you have a low volume node, like right here, would mean that it's kind of the separation of like the bulls and the bears. So that's what I'm saying. If we can get below this VWAP or like this area, this 80, I think that would be really good for sellers, which is what we want at this time because I'm in a short. You can see it's kind of pushing back up. It's 9:48. I'll give it some time. 93. 92. Here we go. We're chipping away, and it's getting a little darker above us, which is good. See how lighter this is getting now? It's getting like light blue and yellow. That's what you want because that means that there's less orders there. Well, you don't see them in grid. It's just the colors. It's just the colors. The colors are just representing orders. So if the orders are below you, they're going to be buys. And if the orders are above you, most likely they're going to be sells. Oh, look, we're at 89. That's great. So the VWAP again is now at 85. Here we go, 88. If we can get below VWAP, this would be awesome. 87, 86, 85. Here we go. We're getting some selling pressure here. All right, so we hit the VWAP. Obviously, it's bouncing a little bit. That's okay. Let's see. So our trade is now 400. So 64 is our entry. Let's see if we can get back. This is also where I have an area, this 65. All right, 83. So see all these orders here, we got to cut through all of those. So we need to get down through this 80 area. And then we should be in pretty smooth sailing, at least back to the entry. Yeah. So see, we need it to be darker above us to keep us selling down. If there's more people below us, that means that they're buying, and then that's obviously not good for my position right now. Let's see if we can get some more sellers to step in here to push us back down through 80. It's 950. All right, we're back to 90, back in the 80s. Here we go. Here we go. We've got to break this 80 area, this 80, 81, 82. And then this color over here shows you if there's more sellers or buyers. Well, I don't really know the number. I guess the number is just the volume at that price. But I'm trying to decipher the color. So it seems like there's, I guess, kind of like a mix here of sellers and buyers here. But yeah, like the red versus the green. So again, I'm just trying to figure all this out. I just got it yesterday. And I'm going to see if it helps with just like my regular manual trading. And just having more of like a overview while other trades are happening like I'm doing right now. So this is not great. We're getting back up to this 95, 96 area. I don't really like this. I really want to stay under 14,000. If we get back up to 14,000, I may cut my trade. I don't know. I'm trying to just let the algo do its thing. So I don't want to get in the way. If we can get back in the 80s, that'd be really good. Here we go. 90. Come on, 89. 89. See, I'm still learning how to like roll this thing too. Here we go. 88. You can see here that it's so orange. So, all right, I may wrap this up. I feel like most of you, besides Ingrid, probably aren't interested in this. But yeah, that's the only trade I'm in right now is this short. We'll see what happens, see if we can get back down. If not, I might cut it over 14,000. So, all right. Well, I will catch up with you guys later. I would love for this to drop, though. If it does, look at this big red area down at 13,900. So that would be an area you would want to be aware of. And like there's a lot of buyers sitting here. So I would love to see it come down here. 13,900. We're short at 964. So that'd be 65 points. That'd be like $1,300 for the 1 mini if we just got to this area. So, hey, I would take that. But first we need to get through these other areas and get down back into the green. So we'll see if that can happen here going into 10 a.m. Back down at 88. Again, we have to break this 80 area. That's our next section, this 80 to 85 where the VWAP is. And watch it from there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end the live stream and I'll talk to you later.